if you're trading EURUSD, GBPUSD, I don't know, bananas USD, a lot of you are trading emotions USD. That's a good one. The best Confluence you can have is DXY. Now, if you're trading GU, for example, and you're not looking at DXY before you place yourself, you're asking for a stop loss. I mean, not literally, but you improve way better your win rate if you look at DXY simultaneously. So because DXY is the dollar index and GU is pound versus dollar, you just invert the charts. I mean, if it really helps you, like, you can invert the chart of DXY and it will be the same chart. But because it's pound versus dollar and this is the dollar index, the charts will be inverted. All right. So when you're about to position yourself on GU, let's say, and let's say you have your perfect sell setup, okay? You have I don't know, bearish structure, you have your order block, and you're playing too short. This is cool. This looks amazing on GU, and then you go check on DXY. Let me see how the DXY is looking, if this trade looks valid. And on the DXY, maybe you'll see something like this, and your order block here would be this order block. Let's say on the, if you kind of predict it, you kind of expected DXY to do this. If this internally looks good on GU, fine, and if you can say the same thing for the XY, then fine, the trade is valid. What if you got a big ass gap here? No, this is not what I wanted to do. Just imagine, okay. What if there's a massive gap here? So you know gaps are like imbalance and FVG, even stronger than them, because price doesn't like to leave them behind. So if there's a massive gap behind, the XY will just come down and maybe go your direction. But because it's gonna do this, maybe GU is also gonna do this, because the XY comes down, GU must come up. If the XY comes up, GU must come down, EU must come down. Alright, so you always gotta be thinking about the XY, because the XY, it's an important confluence to have. For me, if DXY is looking something major against my bias, like, I'm canceling the trade, because that perfect setup is most likely failing. And you also gotta, I don't know how to say it, like, predict, because if DXY, you're expecting DXY to come here, maybe you're predicting your long to be the same time as the DXY hits the order block, the same order block, the same bias order block. Kind of difficult to phrase that, but I'm hoping you understand. You just gotta think kind of both. Just know they will move like opposite ways at the same time. So you gotta add confluence. So here, and you can see, I'll just show you. You can see DXY has been bullish, and if you have not been living under the rock on the trading aspect, you'll know GU and EU are completely bearish. I think I can edit here. Let's see. DXY. I don't know if I should do the same percentage or the new price scale. It's better. So here you can see it was the news, and as DXY gone down, GU came up, but it was NFP. In here, you can see price going up whilst DXY is going down. I mean, it's not much of a clear one, but it is like this. Because you see, even like, can I, fuck, what is this on the, how do I do this? If you see, like, we're going down on the XY, and boom, we just break this liquidity, alright? We just break this liquidity above. And on EU, we're going down, and we just break this liquidity lower. So the XY comes down, EU comes up. Perfect Confluence tool for you to buy. Alright? Then you got the lows that's broken, you got the highs that's broken at the same time. Same exact time. Perfect Confluence again. This is how you should be thinking, and adding DXY as your Confluence. It's a bit of a basic one, but if y'all are trading these pairs and not using and not taking advantage of DXY, or not even looking at DXY, I mean, you're missing out, bro. You're missing out. And a lot of your stop losses might be due to this reason. But yeah, anytime I send my analysis, I'm also like sending DXY charts. I'm saying like G is looking bearish, DXY look like it's gonna go up. So you can see GU still has some place to come lower. Even though we tested the order block, we still got the initial one way down here. And this high is looking kind of protected. Let's see if we broke something or not. But it still looks like we're going down from here. The XY went down because of the NFP. Awful results for the dollar. But it ate that up. Took out liquidity, boom. We came to take these highs out. Had a double high. Had a liquidity. So this looks like it can be the major high. But the way DXY is looking, and the way the election is about to come, and I don't know when this video comes out, but hopefully Donald Trump will be elected, and if he is, then we're going here. And if I think we're going here on GUEU, I think we're going to the fucking ground. That's how you add confluences. Because when you add confluences, you're adding ways for your trade to, hit your TP, for your in rate to increase. That's how you want. It's not just sell and pray, buy and pray. No, we're adding confluences here. The point of being a profitable trader is having an edge. Alright, if you want to have an edge in the market, you must have a plan, and you must have confluences. You must have things that align with your analysis, so that way you're more likely, because that's the point of having an edge, you're more likely to be right. You don't need to be 100% right in the markets to make money. Right? I hope you understand that. So yeah, join the group if you want. First thing in the description. You get free analysis every day on EU, GU, DXY, like I said, as a confluences, and gold. And maybe even some singles if you're lucky. If you're lucky. Alright. Peace out, guys.